Hello everyone! Today on How to Draw Stuff, our resident artist Jude Crier is going to show you how to draw a cute unicorn. We'll start with the outline and finish by adding some color. Let's go! A large head often makes animals look cute in drawings, so we start with a big circle. To the head, we add the unicorn's muzzles, which is shorter to make it cuter. Again, in the interest of cuteness, we make the ears more rounded. Here we mark where the nose and mouth are going to go, making them smaller and not long like a real horse. The mouth itself is only a cute little line. The eyes are also large in comparison to the mouth, with some eyelashes to make them look even cuter. We draw a small circle for the pupil so it appears bright and shiny. For the top of the mane, we mark the lines where the hair comes out from behind the ear, giving it a little flick at the end. The unicorn's rounded horns will appear out of the top of the hair. For the body, we make an oval shape which is relatively small compared to the large head. We can then connect the head and body. To continue the mane, we draw it big and wavy so that it covers almost all of the body. The legs of the unicorn will be very small, also giving a sense of cuteness. They are zigzag shaped at the back and straighter at the front. For the right perspective, the feet behind are a little smaller and higher than those in front. The tail is an S-shaped, wiggly line. Using a fine black marker, we go over the entire outline. And to create the unicorn's hooves, we simply draw a parallel line to the bottom. Wait a few seconds to ensure the black ink has dried, and then erase the pencil guidelines. For this unicorn, we're going to use light pastel colors, starting with a light brown for the nose. When you are coloring in a space, it is always best to make the pencil marks go in the same direction. If you don't, the lines will get crossed and look messy. cuteness, we will create a rosy cheek with a pink pencil and make it the same color as the mane. We use the same to highlight the inner part of the ear. Since this is a cute unicorn, we finish it off by drawing a rainbow-colored horn using your favorite bright colors. And here we have the finished unicorn. We hope you enjoyed this how to draw tutorial. Don't forget to leave us your comments for new video requests. More of Juday's amazing work can be seen by clicking the link in the description. Give us a like if you found this video useful, subscribe for more to come, and we'll see you next time.